What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious bread with cheese and scallions without oven.
Smelling me some cornbread. Here, this for Dale and Mr. Jenkins.
Hey, what about me? I'm gonna get some too, ain't I?
That's yours, John. As you please.
I think I'll just keep the rest in.
Well, if you're curious to know how I make this bread, stay tuned. Look what we need for the dough. We have 500 grams of flour, 300 mils of milk, 1 egg, 5 grams of salt, 20 mils of oil, and 10 grams of yeast. And for the filling, we have 500 grams of salty cheese and, of course, scallions. Well, we have all the ingredients. Without further ado, let's get it started. First of all, I'm gonna make the dough. Now I'm gonna mix the yeast with the milk. Make sure the milk is warm. The next step, I'm gonna take the bowl with the flour and let's add the egg. And now the milk and yeast. Now let's put the oil and the salt. This is our dough. Now I'm gonna let it rest for 1 hour or until the volume is double. Now we have a lot of time to make the filling.
Meanwhile, filling is ready. Good to go. The dough is ready. Now let's finish our bread.
Now I'm gonna bake this bread in a pan at the medium heat. And now I'm gonna try it.
I thank you. Mr. Jingle, thank you. My mama thank you too, but she dead.
Welcome.
Hey! What about me? Don't you hold that on me.
Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.